Here are the largest land masses to ever exist in Earth's history. Pangaea. Pangaea, meaning all lands, was a supercontinent that formed around 335 million years ago and began breaking apart about 175 million years ago. It covered roughly one-third of Earth's surface, an estimated 150 million square kilometers. Notable developments included widespread deserts and the rise of dinosaurs and early mammals. Present-day countries like Brazil and South Africa were once part of Gondwana. Gondwana was a vast southern supercontinent that formed around 600 million years ago and began fragmenting about 180 million years ago. At its peak, it covered around 100 million square kilometers. It supported unique flora like Glossopteris ferns, and its breakup led to the formation of the South Atlantic and Indian Oceans. Modern-day countries, such as Australia and India, are remnants of Gondwana. Laurasia. Laurasia formed around 253 million years ago as the northern part of Pangaea and began fragmenting between 66 and 30 million years ago. A precursor, Euramerica or Laurasia, covered an estimated 37 million square kilometers. Its fragmentation was crucial in forming modern North America, Europe, and Asia, notably with the opening of the North Atlantic Ocean. Canada and Russia are large parts of what was once Laurasia. Afro-Eurasia. Afro-Eurasia is the largest current landmass, still forming as Africa collides with Eurasia. It spans 79,810,726 square kilometers. It's home to most of the world's population and features significant mountain ranges like the Himalayas and Alps due to ongoing plate collision. China and France are key examples of nations on this enormous landmass. Colombia. Colombia, or Nuna, was an early supercontinent that formed approximately 2.1 billion years ago and began breaking apart around 1.6 billion years ago. It stretched roughly 12,900 kilometers from north to south. It's considered one of the first true supercontinents, indicating early mature plate tectonics and widespread mountain building. Parts of ancient cratons now in Canada and Brazil were once part of Colombia. Rodinia. Rodinia assembled between 1.26 and 0.9 billion years ago and began breaking up around 750 to 633 million years ago. While its exact size is debated, it was significant with ancestral North America, Laurinia, at its core. Its breakup influenced global climate and ocean circulation, preceding the snowball Earth glaciations. Ancient fragments are found in present-day USA and Australia. Pangaea. Pangaea was a relatively short-lived supercontinent that formed around 650 to 500 million years ago and largely fragmented by 540 million years ago. It formed as Rodinia effectively turned inside out. Its breakup remarkably coincided with the Cambrian explosion, a major diversification of life. Parts of its cratons are now in Egypt and Argentina. Kinnerland. Kinnerland was one of Earth's earliest supercontinents, forming approximately 2.72 billion years ago, with its breakup occurring between 2.48 and 2.1 billion years ago. Its breakup is linked to the Huronian glaciation and a significant increase in atmospheric oxygen. Ancient continental shields that were part of Kinnerland can now be found in countries like Finland and South Africa. UR is considered one of the earliest continents, forming approximately 3.1 billion years ago. It acted as a nucleus within later supercontinents like Rodinia and Gondwana rather than vanishing. Though smaller than present-day Australia, it was a significant early landmass. It may have been the only continent for a time, and its cratons are some of the oldest continental crust. Portions are now in India and South Africa. Mainland Australia. Mainland Australia formed as a distinct landmass from the breakup of Gondwana and is a current continent. It covers 7,591,608 square kilometers. Its long isolation led to the evolution of unique marsupial fauna. Geologically, it continues its northward movement, colliding with the Indo-Australian plate. Australia is the sole country composing this landmass.